Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Dungeons Public School Bagpat online economics classes. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear student, today we are going to discuss some numericals of production function. As you know that in my previous video we have discussed what do you mean by total product, what do you mean by average product, and what do you mean by marginal product. But see question here. Calculate average product and marginal product. Calculate average product means AP, marginal product means MP. See, value of total product is given and value of variable factors are also given. See, now what is the formula of AP? AP is equal to TP divided by Q. TP is here and see Q. Q represents to variable factor. Q represents to variable factor. Now after this we will divide value of TP by value of variable factor. See, 0 divided by 0 means not defined, or you can say will be dash. After this 8 divided by 1, 8, 20 divided by 2 means 10, 28 divided by 3 means 9.33, 28 divided by 4 means 7, and 25 divided by 5 means 5. See, I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate value of AP means TP divided by Q. After this MP. What is the formula of MP? See, suppose if you want to calculate marginal product of second unit of variable factor, then you have to subtract. See, you will write here TP2 minus TP1. Then you have to subtract value of TP1 from the value of TP2. See, value of TP1 is here and value of TP2 is here. See, now first will be dash. Now to find marginal product for this variable factor means this minus this, 8 minus 0 means 8, 20 minus 8 means 12, 28 minus 20 means 8, 28 minus 28 means 0, and 25 minus 28 means minus 3. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate marginal product. See, first will be dash, then you will do second minus first, second minus first, second minus first, second minus first, second minus first. So I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this. See next question. Calculate average product and marginal product. And see here in question value of TP is given and value of variable factors are also given and value of fixed factor is also given. See, now you know that what is the formula of AP? AP is equal to TP divided by Q, and see TP is here, and see Q represents to variable factor. Always remember Q represents to variable factor. See, variable factor means labor. See, variable factor means labor. See, now this is Q, this is Q. So 0 divided by 0 means dash, 20 divided by 1 means 20, 50 divided by 2 means 25, 90 divided by 3 means 30, 120 divided by 4 means 30, 140 divided by C 28, and 150 divided by 12 means 26, and 150 divided by 7. 150 divided by 7 means 21.42, and 140 divided by 8 means 17.50, and 120 divided by 9 means 13.33. So this is the value of AP. Now after this we will calculate value of MP. See, value of MP, always remember in TP second minus first, in TP second minus first will be dash, and after this second minus first means 20, second minus first means 30, second minus first means 40, second minus first means 30, second minus first means 20, second minus first means 10, second minus first means 0, second minus first means minus 10, second minus first means minus 20. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate value of AP and MP. First of all, see all of you know that formula of TP, AP and MP. What is the formula of AP? TP divided by Q. TP is here and Q represents a variable factor, and examples of variable factors are casual labor, raw material and power fuel. So labor is given here, so you will take labor as Q. So then after you will divide value of TP means by value of labor, or you can say Q. Now after you will get these value, and you will get value of MP. So please pause the video and note down this. See next question. Calculate TP and AP. TP means total product, AP means average product. Now what is here? Value of MP is given and value of variable factors are also given. See, according to this condition, we will take formula of TP means this formula, we will use this formula because value of MP is given, so we will take this formula. See, because we will not use this formula because we have to calculate value of AP also, so we will not use this formula. First of all, we will find TP with the help of this formula. See, now TP is equal to summation of MP, now you can write it. TP is equal to MP1, MP2, MP3. See, this is MP1, this is MP2, this is MP3, this is MP4. So find please TP. TP is equal to sigma MP. See, first will be same 24, 24 plus 20, 44, 44 plus 16, 60, 60 plus 12, 72, 72 plus 8, 80, 80 plus 0, 80, and 80 plus and bracket minus 8, so you will write here 72. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate value of TP. Now after this, value of AP. See, what is the formula of AP? TP divided by Q. TP is here and Q is here, because you know that Q represents variable factor. See, now 24 divided by 1 means 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 1 and 13.33, and see 10.2. So this is the value of AP. Means now I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate value of TP, and you will see means you can use either this formula or this formula, but you first of all you have to see means value of MP is given. Suppose value of MP is given, then you will use this formula, and suppose value of AP is given, then you will use this formula. But in this question, value of MP is given, so we are using this formula. So I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this. See next question. Calculate TP and MP. Total product and marginal product. See, now in this question, value of AP is given, so we will use this formula. TP is equal to AP into Q. Q means variable factors. So TP is equal to, we will use this formula, AP into Q, because value of AP is given. See, 8, 20, 24, 24, and 20. So I hope it is clear. See, after this we will find MP, and formula of MP is TPn minus 1. You know that. See, first will be dash. You see, you can write here 8 also. You can write here 8 also. Now you either dash. See, 20 minus 8 means 12. 24 minus 20 means 4. 24 minus 24 means 0 and minus 4. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate value of this. See, please pause the video and note down this. See, next question means this is different type of question. See, find out the missing value. Find out the missing value. See, my dear students, first of all, for this type of question, you will find first of all TP. You will find first of all TP. You will find first of all TP. Then your calculation will become easier. See, the calculation will become easier. See, now first of all, for this type of question, we will find value of TP. See, what is the formula of TP? TP is equal to AP into Q, or TP is equal to sigma MP. See, now suppose when value of AP is given, then we will use this formula. And suppose value of MP is given, then we will use this formula. See, TP. Now variable factor is 0 here. So TP will be 0. Means total production will be 0, because means variable factor is 0. It means total production will be 0. See, now after this TP. See, value of AP is given, but value of MP is not given. See, to find this value of TP, value of AP is given, but value of MP is not given. So we will use this formula. See, what is the formula of TP? AP into Q. Variable factor means Q. AP into Q means 5 into 1 means 5. Now come here. See, to find this value of TP. See, AP is not given, but MP is given. So we will use this formula. See, TP is equal to sigma MP. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 30. I hope it is clear. See, for next value. See, again value of AP is not given, but value of MP is given. So we will use this formula, and we will add this value in with this value 70. I hope it is clear. The next value is given. For next value, see, again value of AP is not given, but value of MP is given. We will use this formula. So we will add this value with this value. See, 30. I hope it is clear. Again for next. See, again value of AP is not given, but value of MP is given. So we will use this formula. 30. For next, again we will use this formula, means 26. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate value of TP. For this type of question, you will calculate first of all value of TP, and you will use either this formula or this formula. Suppose value of AP is given, then you will use this formula, and value of MP is given, then you will use this formula. See, after this, what is the formula of AP? TP divided by Q. TP is here and Q is here. So first will be dash. Then after 13 divided by 2, 6.5. Then after 17 divided by 3. 17 divided by 3 means 5.66. 5.66. See, 25 divided by 4 means 6.25. 6.25. See, 30 divided by 5 means 6. 30 divided by 6 means 5. 26 divided by 7. 26 divided by 7. It means that value of 26 divided by 7 means 3.71. 3.71. See, 3.71. Now after this, we have to find value of MP. Value of MP. What is the formula of MP? TPN minus TPN minus 1. Suppose if you want to calculate value of second variable, marginal product of second variable means then you have to subtract TP1 from the value of TP2. See, first will be dash, first will be dash. See, do second minus first. 5 for this. For this, second minus first. Second minus first means 8. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate value of TP, AP and MP. But for this type of question, first of all, you will find TP, then after it's up to you. You can find either AP or MP. It's up to you. So please pause the video and note down this. See next question. Again, find out the missing value. Where value of variable factors are given, value of TP is given, value of AP is given. See, means this question is, in this question we will find missing value. Now all of you know that first of all we will find for this type of question means TP. First of all we will find TP, and you know that what is the formula of TP? AP into Q, or TP is equal to sigma MP. See, suppose value of AP is given, then you will use this formula, and value of MP is given, then you will use this formula. See, but see, for this value means for this value of TP, TP will be 0 because variable factor is 0. See, for this means because variable factor is 0, it means total production will be 0. But see, for this value of AP is not given, but value of MP is given, so we will use this formula. 4 plus 0 means 4. 4 plus, see, TP is equal to sigma MP, so 4 plus 0 means 4. To find this, see, value of AP is given, but value of MP is not given, so we will use this formula. AP into Q, AP into Q, AP into Q, 80. To find this, now AP, see, value of TP means either AP is given or MP is given. Suppose take here 5. See, now value of AP is given, but value of MP is not given, so we will use this formula. See, AP into Q means 25. I hope it is clear. Now it's up to you. You can find either AP or MP. See, I am finding here AP. So first will be dash. Then what is the formula of AP? TP divided by Q. TP divided by first will be dash. 4 divided by 1 means 4. 5, 6. Now again first will be dash. See, for this second minus first 6. For this second minus first. For this second minus first. For this second minus first. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate means value of TP, value of AP, value of MP in this type of question. So please pause the video and note down this.